Today, we decided to go out and test drive a manual M240. We're trying to find a good manual car for Kevin, and this thing is weird. This thing is so...
The clutch, for starters, is crazy heavy. It has a light-up steering wheel, though. But that's it.
It drives really well. It has this horrifying noise, though. Like, absolutely horrifying noise coming from it. That is just peachy keen, I gotta say. And I don't think I like the way that it sounds or feels.
Well, it's a shame. The rest of the car's okay. I mean, it's got the CarPlay.
The seats are, I swear they feel cushier and more bolstery than mine. Maybe I need to adjust my seats a little bit, but it's not the worst car I've ever driven.
The thing is just that there is a major problem with the car.
There's a major problem. I wish it would come off on camera better, but gosh, it sounds so weird. All right, we switched cars again. We're back in something else kind of crazy. Oh, first time driving a Corvette. This is a C6. I really liked these cars back in the day, but I was like, I won't get one. And now I'm not regretting it, but this is a really fun car. Like, this is sick.
Holy crap. I don't know if it's gonna come off at all, but it's literally raining outside, and it's June, what is it, June 5th, June 6th? That's crazy. I'm gonna go play around in that. Yeah, there we go. Very cool. All right, let's go see what kind of fun shenanigans we can have out in this. Ooh, that's nice. That's really nice. Let's see. I don't know if you can kind of see me in the mirror or anything like that, but let's go see how this looks a little bit. One thing that's kind of interesting about my car is the auto wipers don't work, so that kind of sucks, but it'll be fine. We'll see.
What's that one sales guy? Fucking...
He's like...
Lucifer. What's his name?
Oh, yay high.
Yep, probably yay high. Oh, there it is. Lewis. Hey.
Hey, what's up?
Bro, sounds like he's in bed.
Like he's sleeping still.
Are you sleeping?
I was laying down. What do you want to drive?
The C7.
I'm gonna take my sound off.
So I found out that that car is actually being a demo right now.
What?
Because
At a Ford dealership?
What the hell? This kind of bullshit.
Fuck this Louis. Fuck this. We're going out somewhere else.
That's good.
It's loud. It's like the crackers make it a little bit boyish, but I don't know if you like that or not.
A little bit what?
A little bit kind of boyish, you know, you're a little boy racer, a little less refined.
You're a little boy racer now.
Yep.
You were the ones that said you liked the crackle.
I said I liked it. I said I changed my mind. I think it's a little bit loud.
All right, go rip it again.
All right.
It sounds absolutely insane. When we were going over the one bridge, it was crazy sounding.
Kevin is letting us drive the sled, so
Yeah, we're gonna see how this new, he got a resonator delete. I have the clips from it. I don't know how many I'll use, but I have the resonator delete, and he has a trans tune now as of late, on top of the tune that we did in that one other video. So
yeah, and he's gonna be following us in his car because he's a little narcissistic bitch and he wants to hear his own car.
yeah, he wants to hear my own shit. All right, cool. So fast.
That was an undisclosed speed.
Yeah, no, that thing's wrong. It's in kilometers.
Right
Yeah,
now.
It's in kilometers right now.
So that was like 60-ish.
I hope the GoPro stayed on. I think it should be. It's behind, you know. It's not like getting a bunch of air tension, like.
Right.
It should be okay.
So we're in second gear. We're just gonna rip it a little bit.
Oh.
85K.
He just like, he disappears behind.
Hang on. Let me cut the windows open for that.
Gotta be keeping a lookout because the GoPro that I put on freaking fell off because someone wasn't paying attention to where it was.
You just have the worst setup skills ever.
That too. My suction cup, I should have licked
It's
it.
gonna be in the fucking parking lot. It's not here.
That's true. We would know. Worst case scenario.
There it is.
Oh!
We're good.
It's still recording. What?
Did we break my car?
No. He probably just stopped. He would call us. Dude, it's still recording. It's still recording. Let's go!
How are you?
He's coming. Don't worry. He's fine. Oh my gosh, this thing got smacked on. I wonder if it got ran over at all. Gosh, smells like I already need new tires. Damn it. Let's go!
Was it like over here?
It was right there. Dude, it was rolling. It's still recording.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh. That is so loud.
No, I have to rev it from the outside though. You just rev it all the way out. Jesus.
That is crazy loud. That is insane. Oh my gosh.
To how much?
All the way down brake, all the way down gas. Hold.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I didn't do it right.
God.
All right.
Get it, ready?
1, 2, 3. 3.3.
That's crazy. 3.3 is
So
pretty
I'd
fucking
call it
fast.
3.1 if like me and Parker weren't in the car.
The tiger's waiting to be tamed.